Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crimp stainless steel wire leader using a crimper that we made from aluminum blind rivet. We use only aluminum rivet bullet instead of stainless steel. This is aluminum type, and this is stainless steel type. We don't use stainless steel types because if we crimp the leather using stainless steel, it will damage the wire because the stainless steel rivet is harder than the wire itself. This is the tool that we need. We need a plier for cutting, and we need a hacksaw, and of course the stainless steel fishing wire and the rivet bullet and fishing plier. Make sure that the fishing plier that we're gonna use is the one come with crimping function like this one. Here I show you a picture of a rivet bullet with the part name. At first we have to remove the rivet mandrel part, and because we only need the rivet pin. This is how we remove it, and then after this we also need to remove the head as well. Since I have this table vise, so I use it to hold the rivet so I can cut it easily. Okay, hold it in position and cut the head using a hacksaw. And then after that I use the rail that we removed before to clean the cutting burr. Okay, one is finished. We're going to need two of it, so I'm going to make another one. Remove the main rail and then secure it in position. So, and then cut the head off, and then clean the cutting burr. So now we have two clips ready for our rigging. Okay, now uh, cut the fishing wire. Make sure you make a clean cut so we can insert it into the crimping tube easily. Okay, insert the wire into the crimping tube and make a loop. We put back the end of the excess wire into the crimping tube. So make sure the loop that we put back from the excess wire is small, so it will look more neat, and we adjust the loop size or the eye size before we crimp the crimping tube using our fishing plier. And since I have this table vise, so I use the table vise to help me to crimp it. just like this. And this is what we get, a very neat looking rigging, no sharp excess wire and very strong rigging. Next, cut the fishing wire into a desired length and we'll insert the crimping tube. After that, take our fishing hook, make a loop on the wire and insert the ends of the wire into the crimping tube and return the excess wire back into the crimping tube. And then adjust the eyes before we crimp the crimping tube. And again, I'm using the table vise to help me to crimp it. Sometimes we need to double check the crimping. So this is the result. These are some completed rigging that we have made. Very neat looking rigging. If you guys learned something from this video, please please click the like button, subscribe and leave some comment on this video. Thank you.